Hey everybody, Beastarter Gaming here. I'm back with another video where today I am going to show you one of the only, and technically the only known way to fix a corrupted desktop icon. And I'm going, I got to twist the tongue. I'm going to show you exactly that and how to do it in this video. Without further ado, let's get started. So, a while back had actually clicked the wrong button and corrupted my save, or not my save files, I'm gonna twit, my game shortcuts that I had just scattered about on my screen. Well, somehow they got corrupted, and I didn't do it from the start, and they just wouldn't work. So I opened Steam, as I will right now, and it wants to update. Yeah. And I, at first, actually tried clicking it, click properties, and yeah, I did a whole bunch of crap I really shouldn't have. And I did some research and couldn't find the straight way, and then I actually found a way to fix this. So I am going to go to my default Steam library, which of course that is not going to work because I need to go to Steam and then Steam again. Nope, not cached. Nope. 10 hours later. It would be helpful if I could find this. Okay, so I went to my Steam files, which would be by default documents, and then, not documents, this PC, your C drive, program files, and then Steam, which I have everything moved, but it still work for me, as I don't have everything moved. So I have a mini drive, for instance. I'm going to go to bin 64. Sometimes it'll be labeled 6432. In my case, it is labeled 6432, and some of mine aren't. And you will see the .exe file for your game. Now, I am going to do the following. I'm going to click this. Okay, for instance, I already have that here, so I'm going to delete the shortcut. I am going to create a shortcut by right-clicking on the icon and then clicking Create Shortcut. See? Simple as that. And then I can drag it, and then it will technically fix everything. If you have another one, you should, in theory, be able to fix that too, without just completely resetting your PC or having to go through all the trouble of, yeah, you don't want to find out. I'm going to click Windows. And then, obviously, there's a lot of stuff. So I'm going to search for MS Paint. Maybe. Shoot. Okay. Well, there is ways to fix this, or to fix any corrupt shortcut for a Windows. Or for instance, Notepad.exe. It will be there. The shortcut is not corrupt. So, for instance, I will not drag it to there, as, yeah, doing that will probably more than likely corrupt your file. So I'm going to right-click, do the exact same thing. Yes, it will probably say this on yours too, so I'm going to create a shortcut on the desktop. Now, I actually don't, have that on my desktop, so I'm actually going to leave it there. And you can name it to whatever you want, Notepad, as I'm going to, or I can name it, I don't know. So, yeah, Notepad would be probably the thing you would do, so I'm going to name it that. And that's pretty much it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more tutorials like this. And if you haven't already, please check out my previous video, which was the, what was it actually? Yeah, I don't remember. Anyway, please check out my previous video if you haven't already, or many of my other videos, even though some of them aren't even tutorials. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Until then, I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.